Hi, today we're going to be working with one of my favorite stitches. I've inserted a picture of a blanket I'm currently making. I'm just going to work up a small piece of it for you today to show you how easy this pattern is. Okay, I'm using impeccable yarn and a 5.5 eye hook. You can use whatever gauge you want, whatever yarn you want, just match your hook for your yarn. So we're going to start off with a slip knot. And we're going to chain in multiples of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. After we do our multiples of 3, we're going to add 2 more. Now this first stitch is going to be a double crochet, and we're going to go back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches and start our double crochet in that 5th stitch back. Now that we've worked into the 5th chain back, we're going to put a double crochet in each one of the foundation chains. That's why you don't want to do them too tightly, or it will be hard to put a chain it will be hard to put a double crochet in each. I love this pattern. I'm currently working on a blanket in a black and a self-changing Caron cake. And I really like it. I will insert a picture, or I will have already inserted a picture probably in the beginning of the video. All right, now we've come all the way to the last foundation chain. Now we're going to switch colors. So to switch colors, I'm just going to pull this up. You can put you could put a stitch marker in there so you don't lose it. I just pull it up a little extra. We're going to add our new color onto this side. I'm just going to tie it on. Get it right up to the top and tie it tight. It will be worked in and you won't even see it when we do a border, but it's very secure that way. You could even double knot it if you truly wanted to. So I'm going to do chain 1, 2, 3. The first chain is just to attach and then chain up 2. And we're going to go 1, 2, 3. And then in between these stitches, we're going to do a half double crochet. We're going to chain 2, skip 1, 2, 3, put another half double crochet. First row is wonky as always. Chain 2. Now you'll see you have 1, 2, 3, and a 4th. That's okay. Half double crochet. Now we pull this. Also, again, you could always use a stitch marker to hold that. I'm going to turn it, and I'm going to go back into this side now. So I'm going to chain 2, 3, and then I'm going to do a double crochet. And you see where that is. It's already on here where this is connected. We're going to do 2 more double crochet. Okay, we've put in our first 3, and we're just going to keep on going. We're going to put 3 double crochet in each one of these spaces. And 3 more. And that's a really easy pattern. It works up pretty quickly. Now that we're back at this beginning, I'm going to do 1 more double crochet into that bottom loop. That's going to keep our edge going. And now you can stitch marker or just pull it out. Now we're back to this one. I'm going to chain 1 just around that, just a chain. Then I'm going to chain up 2, half double crochet in between each cluster of 3 double crochet. So then 2 chains, another half double crochet, 2 chains, half double crochet in that last, after that last cluster, okay, and pull it up just a little, pull it up just a little so you don't lose it, or put a stitch marker in. Okay, we're going to turn back around. Okay, so now we're back to the purple. We're going to chain up 3, and then we are going to start our 3 double crochet clusters. 1, 2, 3. Now you do have to just be cautious to try to not work this in. You want to keep that where it was, so you work around it just a little bit. So we've just done 3, and we do another 3 in the next space. Another one. Makes 3. 3 more. And then 1 last double crochet into the row before. Now, this looks a little tight now. Once you get all your stitches in and you're joined up, then once you do a border, it will pull it all nice and neat, so it will sort of look like that. I do prefer to do this with a little bit thicker of a yarn. I like to do the half double crochet yarn in a lighter weight usually, and you'll see in the picture of my other piece, that's what I'm doing. It's the half double crochet spot yarn is in a much lighter weight than the black yarn that I'm using in that piece, which I like because it doesn't seem to stretch it out quite as much. You could also modify and do just a 1 stitch on there, or a slip stitch, or you could do a bunch of different styles in there, but this is how it will turn out. It's a really versatile pattern. You can do anything. I've seen people do white with rainbow stripes. It's just a really easy pattern to work up. It goes really quickly. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Any questions, please comment below. And if you like the video, hit the thumbs up, please. Thanks.